Hey everyone! The Amazfit T-Rex free smartwatch, launched at IFA 2023, introduces an intriguing blend of advanced AI-guided fitness training and rugged outdoor capability, all packed into a reasonably priced device at $299. Targeting both fitness enthusiasts and athletes preparing for strength training or marathons, the T-Rex 3 aims to deliver AI-powered coaching, while remaining significantly cheaper than competing models from brands like Garmin, Samsung, and Apple. One of the standout features of the T-Rex 3 is its AI-driven strength training guidance, which puts it on par with the latest smartwatch trends. Many of the fall releases from major brands focus on AI features to tailor workouts to user performance, energy levels, and recovery. The T-Rex 3 joins the pack with its ability to provide personalized coaching. Whether you're aiming to run a marathon or work on specific muscle groups like quads or biceps, the integrated AI coaching from Zepp Health's Assistant has you covered. The AI-powered Zepp Assistant brings voice control capabilities to the device, enabling users to access training instructions and manage the watch's features effortlessly. This coaching system could be especially useful for people looking for guided strength workouts, as well as for runners aiming to fine-tune their performance. At first glance, the T-Rex 3 impresses with its durable and rugged design, which is geared towards outdoor adventurers and sports enthusiasts. Its large 1.5-inch AMOLED display, boasting a brightness of up to 2000 nits, ensures the screen remains visible even in direct sunlight, perfect for outdoor workouts. The watch's size, while substantial, doesn't feel overly bulky on the wrist, and its military-grade rating and 10 ATM water resistance make it reliable for extreme conditions. It can handle depths of up to 328 feet, making it suitable for water sports and activities like freediving. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the T-Rex 3's ability to track a wide array of activities, 170 to be exact, including swimming and diving. For athletes training in the great outdoors, the dual-band GPS system is a huge asset. This advanced GPS feature provides precise location tracking, ensuring that runners, hikers, and cyclists can map their routes without relying on a smartphone. Perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is its outstanding battery life. Thanks to the 700 mAh battery, the watch can last up to 13 days with heavy use, and even longer, over 3 weeks, under optimal conditions. This is a game changer in a market where most smartwatches offer battery life in the range of just a few days. For comparison, the T-Rex 3 outperforms the Garmin Vivo Active 5's 11-day battery life, not to mention premium models from Samsung and Apple that require charging every day or two. At $299. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 sits comfortably in the mid-tier smartwatch range. It's priced similarly to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and Vivo Active 5, but offers more battery life and ruggedness for outdoor use. While it lacks the luxury of higher-end models like the Garmin Fenix 8 or the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which cost hundreds or even thousands more, the T-Rex 3's robust feature set makes it a highly competitive option in its price category. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a durable, AI-supported fitness smartwatch that doesn't break the bank. Its military-grade build, extensive activity tracking, exceptional battery life, and AI-driven training assistance make it a great value for both casual users and athletes. It may not have all the premium features of pricier models, but for $299, it delivers a lot of functionality, particularly in strength training and outdoor sports. Testing it further will reveal how well it stacks up against more expensive counterparts, but on paper, the T-Rex 3 certainly seems like a formidable contender. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.